the domain of a variable x is the set of all real numbers for which that variable is defined. The right side is a ratio, a fraction, and we cannot divide by 0. X minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So we realize that x cannot be 1. It's r minus 1. The left side is 2 everywhere defined. The right side for b is square root of x, and x must be non-negative, greater than or equal to 0 for square root of x to exist. The domain, therefore, is all x greater than or equal to 0 from 0 to infinity. X minus 2 is everywhere defined. The left side is everywhere defined. For C, the domain is all real numbers. 2x minus 3 is a polynomial expression everywhere defined, and 7 is a constant everywhere defined. X over 3 minus 7 is polynomial everywhere defined, and 5 a constant everywhere defined. So the domain is all real numbers. You cannot divide by 0, so we're going to set 2 minus x equal to 0. Therefore, 2 is equal to x when we add x to both sides. So the domain is all real number except 2. So it's r minus 2, and 4 is everywhere defined, so we're done. The radicand x minus 1 must be non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, x will be greater than or equal to 1. So the domain is all x greater than or equal to 1, open bracket at 1 until infinity, close parenthesis. Students should review the definition of a conditional linear equation, and in the next section we're going to solve a few examples. Since the denominators are the same, we can just combine the first two terms. It's going to be x minus 2 over 3. And we can choose to rewrite 1 minus 3x times 1/2 as 1 minus 3x between parentheses over 2. Let's just cross multiply. So we get 2 times x minus 2 is equal to 3 times 1 minus 3x. Distribute 2x minus 4 is equal to 3 times 1, 3, and 3 times negative 3x, negative 9x. Now we can add 9x to both sides, and then 4 to both sides to combine the constants. 2 plus 9, 11, 11x. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 plus 4, 7. And negative 9x plus 9x, 0. Divide by 11, we get x equal to 7 over 11. Solve 2/3 minus 3/2 of x is equal to 1/6 minus 7/3 of x. First, we're going to look for the LCD between 3, 2, 6, and 3. So 6 is a multiple of all 4. Therefore, the LCD is 6. Notice that 6 is 2 times 3 and 6 times 1. Now we multiply both sides by the LCD to clear the fractions. 6 over 1, 6 over 1. 6 times 2/3, 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 times 2, 4. Minus 6 times 3 half, 6 divided by 2, 3. And 3 times 3, 9. 9x. 6 times 1, 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 6 times 1, 6 is 1. 6 times 7 thirds. 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 times 7, 14. Negative 14x. Now we're gonna add 14x to both sides to combine the x term, and subtract 4 from both sides to combine the constant. 14 minus 9, 5x. 1 minus 4, negative 3. Now we can divide both sides by 5 to isolate x, and x is equal to negative 3/5.